Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SATs type of a question in the topics of exponents. Let's dive into it. Which of the following is equal to w to the power of 2 over 3 for all values of w? Now we always talk about this. There's this one rule, but to solve it carefully, always write it down first. W to the power of 2 over 3. And then an empty root sign. And for these type of questions, you always need a root. That means choice B and choice D is eliminated already. Now, the rule I was talking about is the numerator 2 is always staying next to the W, and the denominator is outside of the root. Let me show you this. Like that. And then inside of the root, it will look like this. W to the power of 2. And then outside of the root, it's a 3. The denominator. That means C is also eliminated because the denominator was not written down. So choice A is the solution to this given question in the topic of exponents. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.